After every WordPress installation, we always need to do some basic settings before proceeding towards building a website. In this lecture, we are going to do those basic settings. First of all, we will go to the post and delete this demo post comes with the default WordPress installation. Because we want to create our original post, so Google will not index this demo content as an article of our website. So simply we will click on trash and then we will go to the trash and delete this post permanently. Similar to the post, we will go to the pages and check in all the pages and click on move to trash and apply. And then we will go to the trash, check in all the pages again and click on delete permanently. For the final step, we will go to the settings and then permalinks and confirm that the permalink for our website is set to post name, because we want our visitors to see the pages and posts of our websites by their names and not by the number or dates or any symbol. So we will simply check in the post name and click on save changes. So these were some basic settings that we will always do after every WordPress installation.